Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Mergers and Acquisition Corporate Restructuring class. Today we are doing on unit 4, that is accounting for amalgamation. In continuation of the previous class, in the last session we have understood the basic calculation of purchase consideration, okay, in terms of different methods. So in continuation of that, the next concept is preparation of post merger balance sheet. Preparation of post merger balance sheet, it's most important. So here whenever two company merge into each other, maybe in the nature of purchase or in the nature of merger, in the nature of merger. So we take it as a pooling of interest method, and we also take it as a purchase method. Okay, so sometimes the problems will be asked on the same, so we should aware of that also. I'll just read the problem, go through that. Yes, Blue Limited and Star Limited were amalgamated on and from 1st April 2002. A new company called Yellow Star Limited was formed to take over the business of the above said companies. The balance sheet of Blue Limited and Star Limited as on 31st March 2002 are given hereunder. They have given the balance sheet of Blue Limited and Star Limited, liability as well as assets they have mentioned. Liability, they have given equity shades of 100 rupees each, 2000, 1600, 15% preference shades of 100 rupees each, 800, 600, and subsequently revaluation reserve, general reserve, P&L account, 12% debentures of 100 rupees each. Current liability they have mentioned. So total of the Blue Limited is 4160 and Star Limited is 3130. Assets are like fixed assets, current assets, loans and advances they have given, and along with that additional informations. The first one, preference shareholders of Blue Limited and Star Limited have received same number of 15% preference shares of 100 rupees each in new company. And the second one, 12% debentures of Blue Limited and Star Limited are discharged by the new company by issuing adequate number of 16% debentures of 100 rupees each to ensure that they continue to receive the same amount of interest. Then third one, Yellow Star Limited has issued 1.5 equity shares for each equity shares of Blue Limited and 1 equity shares for each equity shares of Star Limited. Then the face value of shares issued by Yellow Star Limited is 100 rupees each. You are required to prepare the balance sheet of Yellow Star Limited as on 1st April 2002 after the amalgamation has been carried out using the pooling of interest method. Okay, so here they have given the data pertaining to Blue Limited and the Star Limited. So Blue Limited and Star Limited merged into each other and they will be forming a new company called Yellow Star Limited. Okay, so this problem is belong to merger through consolidation. Merger through consolidation. So this problem is belong to merger through consolidation. So whenever two company merge into each other and forming a new company, we call it as consolidation. Okay, so here we need to calculate the PC first. Purchase consideration we have to calculate, okay, based on the available data. Then after calculating the PC amount, we have to calculate the individual the payment, PC payment, in terms of equity how much they have given, in terms of preference how much they have given. If they have given in terms of cash, that also to be included in the splitting of the PC. After that we find out like the debenture calculation, because in the problem they have mentioned debentures of Blue and Star will be converted into Yellow Star, okay, from 12% to 16%, that also to be considered. Then after that we will calculate, finally we prepare the balance sheet of Yellow Star Limited. Okay. So, in any problem, first we need to calculate the PC. In accounting for amalgamation, we supposed to calculate the PC. Okay. So, we will calculate the PC first. So, calculation of purchase consideration, calculation of purchase consideration is first. Okay. So, they have given purchase consideration, preference shares they have given, and equity shares they have given. They are exchanging from here and there and there and here. Okay. The face value of shares issued by Yellow Star Limited is 100 rupees each. Okay. Then Yellow Star Limited has issued 1.5 equity shares of each equity shares of Blue Limited and 1 equity shares for each equity shares of Star Limited. Point to be noted. So, the third point, Yellow Star Limited has issued 1.5 equity shares for each equity shares of Blue Limited and 1 equity shares of each equity shares of Star Limited. Okay, so this PC calculation is belong to intrinsic value method. Intrinsic value method only they have mentioned in terms of agreed equity shares and preference share. So, here the payment of PC in the form of stock completely. So, let us find out how much they have given. So, equity first, equity share capital through equity share capital how much they have given. So, we have to find out like we have to take it separately for Blue Limited and Star Limited. Okay. Yes, Blue Limited, see the values of Blue Limited, how much they have mentioned. So, here the equity shares, equity share capital of Blue Limited is 2000 and Star Limited is 1600. Okay. So, 2000 here and 1600 here. Okay. 1600 here. They have given and they have mentioned, see the third point. So, 1 equity shares for each equity shares of Star Limited, 1 equity shares of each equity shares of Star Limited. Okay. So, that is divided by 1 for both we have to consider into 1.5 into 1.5. They only mention in the problem, third point, into 1.5 they have given, that is Yellow Star Limited has issued 1.5 equity shares for each equity shares of Blue Limited. Okay, so 1.5 we have to consider. So, calculate how much they are paying. 2000 into divided by 1 into 1.5, you will get 3000. So, 3000, then 1600 into divided by 1 into 1.5, 1600 divided by 1 into 1.5, you will get 2400. Separately you take it, this is for Blue Limited and this is for Star Limited. So, how much it is? It is 2400. Okay. This is actually 1. After they will convert into 1 only. Yeah, 1600 divided by 1 into 1, you will get 1600. To be corrected 1600. Yes. After that you find out the total here. So, next moving on to the preference. This is the first one, equity, second one 15% preference sales. See the adjustment, See the adjustment. Preference shareholders of Blue Limited and Star Limited have received same number of 15% preference shares of 100 rupees each in new company. So, same it is, whatever the Star and Blue had, same it is retained. So, how much they have given? It is 800 and 600, 800 for Blue and 600 for Star. Then after that, so find out the total equity how much, total preference how much. So, total equity 3000 and 1600, totally it is how much? It is 4600 total equity, and this one is preference is 800 plus 600 is 1400, and the total of that is 3800, 2200, 6000. So, total PC amount is 6000 rupees. This is PC calculation. Okay. Yes. Next, in terms of like each individual, how much actually they have paid, we are supposed to calculate. So, let us find out the means of, okay. After calculating the PC, the next one is debenture calculation. They have given in the adjustment itself. So, let us find out the debenture of like Blue and Star together. Yes, calculate debentures calculation for Blue and Star total. So, interest, how much we need to pay? Interest, amount of debentures to be issued, how much? Interest on existing debenture, how much? So, first find out existing debenture interest. Okay. Debenture interest, Blue Limited, the amount is 192 into 12%. So, I will get 23.04. Next, second, that is 160, 19.2 they have mentioned. Total is 42.24 existing debenture interest. Next, after that, amount of debentures to be issued, how much? Amount of debentures to be issued. Yes, let us find out amount of debenture to be issued separately for Blue Limited and Star Limited. Yes, calculate first for Blue, then for Star. Yes, Blue Limited, they have mentioned in the second adjustment, 12% debentures of Blue Limited and Star Limited are discharged by the new company by issuing adequate number of 16% debentures of 100 rupees each. 100 rupees each to ensure that they continue to receive the same amount of interest. Same amount of interest. Okay. So, we will take 23.04 into 100 divided by, it will convert to 16%. Yes, calculate. You will get 144 here. Next, Star Limited, that is 19.20 into 100 by 16%. You will get 120. Okay. So, put together it is 264. Yes, put together it is 264. This is how we calculate the debenture. Fine. After calculating debentures, next moving on to P&L account balance for the balance sheet method. P&L account we have to consider a little bit. Next, actually we have to prepare balance sheet. So, before that let us consider the P&L account balance to be taken to the balance sheet. So, P&L account balance to be taken to balance sheet. Let us calculate, because they have given the reserves, general reserve. I told you in the difference between pooling of interest method and purchase method. So, we have to consider the general reserve and the pooling of interest method. So, let us begin. Like they have given the general reserve here, then P&L account they have mentioned. Okay. So, let us take that. General reserve, general reserve, both companies together consider Star and Blue 400 plus 300, it is 700. And also they have given P&L account, take the P&L account, both Star, these are generally credited to the shareholders account. So, they have given 160 and 120. So, total is 280. So, you add these two, it is 980, you will get it. Okay. So, for this we need to minus like difference in the share capital and the PC. Already I discussed with you while I was explaining the theory part of pooling of interest method and purchase method. Difference between share capital and PC, how much? Go to the balance sheet, share capital, preference and equity together. Okay. Preference and equity together, how much you will get? So, add those things. Okay. 2000 company, 2000 equity shares in Blue Limited and 1600 in Star Limited. Next, the preference shares of 800 in Blue and 600 in Star. So, add these 4, how much you will get? You will get 5000. Okay. So, 5000 and 6000. PC how much? 6000. Okay. 5000 and 6000. PC is 6000. So, difference is how much? It is 1000. This is total of the share capital including preference share, equity and preference of both the company you had, you will get 5000. So, difference is 1000 rupees. Got it. So, next you have to add the difference in issue of debentures. You have to add the difference in issue of debenture. So, previous debenture and the current debenture. Previous debenture, both the companies value you take it, okay, that is 192 and 160, you will get 352. And next, current debenture calculation, just before we have calculated how much we have got, we got 264. So, difference between 352 and 264 is 88. Consider. So, how much you will get? Balance amount 980 minus 1000, you will get 68. So, that 68 we have to consider in the balance sheet. This 68 we have to consider in the balance sheet. So, move on to the next preparation of balance sheet. Moving on, I will rub it. Next, prepare the balance sheet. Prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet of Yellow Star Limited. Balance sheet of Yellow Star Limited as on 31st 3. You can take any current year. I think in this problem they have given it is 2002. 2002. You can take it. Take it in the horizontal method. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Yes, first you take the assets values, both like fixed assets and the current assets, whatever they have given in the balance sheet, you had fixed assets, both the company Blue and the Star 2400 plus another one company values how much they have given? That is 2000. Both together, how much it is? 4400. They have mentioned. Next, current assets. Current assets values, how much they have given? That is 1760 and 1130. $1,760 and 1130. Calculate 1760 plus 1030. You will get 2890. Okay. So, we got that much in the asset side. So, next moving on to the liability side. Liability side, you have to consider first whatever they have given, equity shares and then preference shares. So, share capital, equity share capital first. Equity share capital, how much? Like we have considered 4600. We have calculated in the PC total afterwards. Okay, equity shares of 100 rupees each. Equity shares of 100 rupees each. How much we have taken in the PC? 4600. Next, 15% preference share. 15% preference shares. 100 rupees each. 100 rupees each. How much we have? That is 1400. Next, other items you consider based on the calculated. Go to the reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. So, in the reserves and surplus, they have given revaluation reserves. Okay. Both the company you consider, you calculate, that is 200 plus 160. 200 plus 160, it is 360. After that, P&L account. P&L account, just before we have calculated P&L account. Okay, see the working notes before we have calculated. Okay, that is how much? 68 we have taken. We have taken 68. Next, go to the debentures, secured loan, that is 16% debentures. How much it is? It is 264. That we have shown in the working notes. Next, current liabilities you take together. Current liability next. Both the company, we just take it, both the company value 408 and 190. you will get 598. So now you calculate total of assets and total of liability, how much it is. 4,400 plus 2,890, it is 7,290. This side also you will get 9,027. 7,290 you will get. This is how, okay, this is how we solve the problem on merger through consolidation when it is in terms of pooling of interest method. Okay. Hope you understood. Thank you so much for